Hello friends, I am RV. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a new user profile in your desktop or laptop. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go this PC, then right click here, go to manage. Now as you can see, the computer management is open. Now you have to go to the local users and group. Okay, then users. Here you can see already created accounts are there. Now if you're looking for a new account, you just go there and right click. Once you right click, you will see new user, refresh, export list, and some other things are there. All you need to go there in new user. Here you can see username, full name, description, and password. You can also put the password here if you want to set. So first of all, just create a username. Suppose anything, like my name is Ravi, so I can put here Ravi, and here full name. So you can also put here Ravi, or you can also put surname as well, and whatever, it's all up to you. Now if you want to put a password, you can create here or also confirm, otherwise just let it be. uh, I select password never expire, so I am not putting any kind of password here. If you want to put a password, you can create here of your own, so just go and create. Now you can see here the Ravi user profile has been created. Okay, now how to go there? Just click on the start button, go there, and then you can just sign out. So you are now signed out from your existing account. This is my old account which I was using, and now I have created a new account. You can see here Ravi, so you just go and click here. So as you can see, Ravi account has been created, and now just sign here simply. It will take some time because the Microsoft features are installing, so it will say hi and all. So your laptop is getting ready, you have to wait for some time. As you can see, the message has been delivered by the Microsoft team that this might take several minutes, and it could take a couple of minutes to reconfigure your new profile. I will also tell you that how you can set your password if you have created a new account and you just forgotten to put a password, or you just left it blank, or you want to set a password. You can also set it anytime, so it's not a big deal, it's very easy. Yeah, so the message has been delivered that you are almost there. Here, now just accept the policies here. So as you can see, the new profile has been created. Your new user profile has been created now, which is Ravi, like that. Yeah, so here you can work, you can configure your account, you can put your data, so it's all up to you how you manage it. Okay, now how you can create password? Just press Ctrl Alt and delete, like Ctrl Alt and delete. Once you put Ctrl Alt delete, you will see log, switch user, sign out, and change a password. So just go there, change a password. Here you can see change a password. Your old password, you haven't put any kind of password before, so just leave that blank. Now create a new one. RV. I'm putting any password. You can also put XYZ, whatever. So I have created my password. Now just configure yes. So the password has been changed. Okay, fine. Now just lock it. Go there, here, and lock. So you can see your new account has been locked now. Before it was having no password, now it is asking for a password. So just put the password you have created. Here you can see it's login now. Thank you guys for watching it. Thanks.